What would you describe as art? Hey guys, welcome back to Segments with C Breed. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing 2018 November CURLBOX, also known as the art issue. So I'm excited. I am a few weeks late, but I do apologize. However, better late than never. So let's get right into it. So let's start off with the paperwork. So whoever came up with this concept, this was gorgeous. It's just something about the bright red hair and then the blue contrast. It's nice. I did notice that in the pamphlet, this is how the inside of it looks. You see that pop of color? Yes. Three things up here that I did like about this month's brochure is the reinvention, the expression, and the beauty. Those are definitely three things, you know, that I can sense from this collection that we got. So product number one is the Palmer's Natural Fusions Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. It's a clarifying shampoo. It gently purifies and nourishes hair. The bottle is 12 fluid ounces itself, and it has a nozzle, which I like. Then we have the conditioner to match. We have the Lavender Rose Water Conditioner. This is a hydrating and repairing product. It replaces lost moisture and softens hair. So then we have the Mellow Root Leave-In Conditioner. It has a spray. This is a smooth comb through and detangling product. This bottle itself is 8.5 fluid ounces. We have the Ceramide Monoi Hair Food Oil. This nourishes and fuels hair and scalp. Nozzle as well. I'm really loving the nozzles. This is 6 fluid ounces. So then the last product that we received in the box is a nice jar. This is the Chai Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. This deeply repairs and boosts hydration. So I do want to talk about fragrance of the product and the consistency of the product. I am going to do them hand in hand since each product do smell different and they actually have different ingredients in them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the cleanser. I'm going to just open the nozzle. Ooh, okay. And I'm going to pour some. Okay, so it's a clear jelly liquid. You can see that. So it's kind of sticky a little bit. It actually smells good. So the rose in it is not overpowering, which is pretty good. I'm actually starting to see like more trends with rose scented fragrances, especially like in Bath and Body Works and in lotions and body washes. Maybe I don't want to say it's like the season for roses, but it's all of a sudden like hit a peak. So here's the conditioner. All right, so this is a white. So this is very fluffy. I would describe the conditioner as fluffy. It's very creamy though. It's creamy and fluffy, which is like hard to think about, but it smells more like clay. So now we have the leave-in, which is a spray. So I have a towel. I'm just gonna spray it into. Gotta get that initial spray. Spray it into my hand so you can see how quick it shoots out. Okay, so you probably can't see it, but it forms like a white film. And it smells good. So the fragrances, excuse me, are kind of slightly strong, but I think it's just this aroma of rose that's strong like that. So the Monoi Hair Food Oil, for some reason in my heart, I just, ooh, okay, popped right up in there. The oil, oh, it's very runny. Disclaimer. And it doesn't feel thick. It feels more water-based ish. Let's see. Oh, canola oil is the first ingredient, and then soybean. I guess it does feel like canola oil. I mean, I cook with that sometimes, but anyway. So last but not least, the hair mask. So I had to pop, it came with like it was sealed, so I had to pop the seal off and it formed. I don't really care for the smell of this. It doesn't really smell like anything, that's probably why, but that's this. It feels so good. Feels like a nice lotion. Okay. Overall, fragrance is pretty good for the products. It's not too overwhelming, but it's definitely a scent. But that's how any rose product is. All of them smell the same. Price. So in the comments, I want y'all to tell me if y'all shop at Walmart or if y'all shop at Target, because I got my prices from Target. I'm a cartwheel shopper. I be in Target like with my little phone, like. But anyway, so the hair mask retails, if you need a visual, the hair mask, this nice canister here, retails for $7.29 at Target. And then the conditioner and the cleanser retails for $6.29 at Target. And then the leave-in conditioner retails for $6.49. And then a Monoi food oil, I thought this was going to be like the most expensive, but actually it's only $6.29. And I've actually had to add all of those together at Target. My bill would have been $33.55 plus tax. Michigan tax is 6%. But I actually got all of these products for $25. That includes shipping from CURLBOX. So I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit subscribe and make sure you check below for extra deets. See ya.